Okay. This video feels so different. I think I like having something in the background. I don't know. It feels so weird. I'm just like in a space. But anyways, welcome guys back to my channel. So today I'm going to be trying out a new concealer hack. And so this is the final look. So I'm going to go ahead and just skip through some parts, but I'm going to show you guys. So this was it's called like the fox eye or whatever. It's on TikTok, but I don't have a TikTok. So I was looking at it online and I just couldn't find it because I didn't know what it was called. But I just wanted to try it out, and I actually did like it for the most part. There was something I didn't like, which I'll tell you guys. Stay tuned till the end and you guys can find out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. We're at 100 subscribers. So just trying to grow my channel. If you guys could give me all your support. I do want to give a giveaway. I think I want to do one at 500, and yeah, so I mean, just go ahead and keep on watching to see how I got this look and watch me try this hack out. I already did my foundation, my eye makeup, and then I did a little bit of cream contour, which you can't even tell. But I'm gonna go ahead for this video. I just wanted to skip through that part, and we're gonna do this. What are we gonna do? So for this, I'm going to use a concealer that I know is going to work. One that I've used already because I've gotten a bunch of new ones, but I wanted to use something that I knew would work. So I'm going to go ahead and use the KKW Beauty. So for this look, I have to double check because I'm going based off this video that I saw. So this is the Foxy Eye, which is why I did a little bit of a wing. So this is eyeshadow, but I'm going to clean a lot of that up. But let me see. Okay, so I kind of do this with my concealer, but I put it all like do the little triangle, and I but for this you're only gonna put it here, and then you're gonna put it on the inner corner and then near your lip, which I almost never put it on my lips. So you're gonna take it here and you're gonna go like around your nose. Hopefully this is focusing. Okay, there we go. And then maybe I should do it this way. And then I'm gonna go here. And you're supposed to take it up. So like that. And then your lip. And all of it is like going in an up motion, which is like, look at that. And so you're just gonna blend everything out. I'm gonna put a little bit right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take my brush and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that, and then I'm gonna go over with a sponge. Just because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. So I'm gonna take that up and blend it. I assume it's supposed to give you like a more pouty look for your lips. I mean, like you can already see it. My lips look like that's not even me. Alright. I'm gonna put it around my nose. And it just probably is gonna snatch the shit out of your nose, which I do try to do it with powder, but I don't bring it in too high. But I'm gonna do that here. I did my eyeshadow, so I'm just kind of gonna do like an inner corner highlight with it because it is really close to my my inner corner. Like, look at that. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Like, look at it. It looks, I can see it on camera, it looks definitely not how I do it, but it looks nice. So I'm gonna take this right here and right here. I could have gone in with a flat brush, but I feel like this brush, actually I'm gonna switch when I get closer to my eye. I'm gonna take this brush because it's more dense. So the flat brush is a little bit more dense, but I feel like it's gonna take longer to blend it out versus this one. Wow. Okay. So I don't know, maybe I am gonna go in. I'm gonna go in with this brush. I think it does have a little bit of concealer because I did use it to clean up my brows, but I want to clean up where I did that eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go right there. Okay. So that is ready to go. And I'm going to go ahead and take a sponge, and I'm just going to go ahead and just blend and press the concealer into the skin. I went I went for my chin because I put some concealer on my chin, so it's just like a bad habit. I'm gonna go here so it doesn't look crazy. And that is it for the concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and bake on those areas. This is the Cover FX. Hopefully you guys can't hear my husband because he's playing video games. I think I put too much powder, but whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna take the same powder on a brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and set the rest of my face, and just I'm gonna be careful not to disturb that other powder. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm also gonna take this Sephora Micro Smooth powder, and I'm gonna just go ahead and take that same brush, and I'm just gonna set my face as well, just to make sure I got everything. And this is kind of like a if I were to compare it, it would be like a MAC mineralized skin finish, but it's cheaper because now the mineralized skin finish, it's like 30 something dollars, I think. I don't know, the last one I bought on sale. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust off the powder. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a brush and dust off right here, and just kind of blend up and into like kind of like the contour, and the same thing here. Okay. Oh my god, I don't know if I liked how this powder did set. All right, hopefully it looks better when I hopefully it looks better when I set my makeup. Oh my god, I mean, it looks good, but I mean, it looks much better. Yeah. So now I'm gonna go ahead and do my lips, and then I'm gonna put my lashes on, and we'll be done. Okay, so I'm taking this lip liner from Morphe, and this is in the color Bite Me. So I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink, and this is in the color Driver. Now I'm gonna take this Revlon Ultra HD, and I'm using the color Forever. I watched one of Harush's tutorials and she used this one and I love it. I don't like a lot of Revlon stuff, but after she used this one, I mean, this is the only thing I have from them, but you know, I gave it a chance because of her. Oh shit. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put a gloss on as well. This is the Pat McGrath. This is the Flesh Astral gloss. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and I'm gonna use this Smashbox primer water. Now on camera everything looks good, but I'm gonna give you guys my final verdict on this concealer hack. One, the only complaint I would say is around my mouth. I feel like that concealer was maybe a little bit too light. The one that I use, maybe I do something a little bit darker. But out of the two shades that I had for the concealer, because I have 6 and 8, I did pick the darker one. But I think I would go in with a darker concealer around my mouth for that. But other than that, like around my eyes and everything, let me double check. Yeah, like around my eyes it looks good, and around my nose, but definitely around my mouth it feels a little bit weird. So I don't know that I would do that again. And I don't really need too much coverage on my under eyes, like to cover bags and stuff. So the fact that I put it here and here, like that was perfect. It looks nice, and I mean, it just kind of looks similar to what I would do it. Just my nose looks like a little bit more snatched. My eyes look a little bit higher, but I mean, I kind of do sort of the same thing. But let me go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and change my hair so I can do my intro and outro.